Bring your cage out. We can't stay here too long. Because the rain's going to come again. And then it's going to be cold again. It's going to be cold again. We get 1 day of warm. I'm going to fix the strip over here. The wind blew it out of the screen on the bottom. Wind blew it out of the screen. It was blowing that hard the other day, huh? See that forsythia blooming? Forsythia. And the yellow flowers by the stream are starting to bloom. Spring is in the air. And Max don't care. Spring is in the air. I don't want to swing it too hard because it will knock you on the head. Boop. Oh my gosh, we just hit you in the head. Get it? Something smells good. Something blooming or starting to somewhere. I don't know where it's coming from though. It smells like spring. It does. It's starting to smell like spring. Birdies are singing. See all the birdies in the tree? Somebody got their nails done this week. That's why we didn't do a video, because they were grumpy. And then they had surprise visitors 2 nights in a row and kept him up till 8:30 at night. So we didn't make any videos of it, did we? Holly and Heather came to visit you, and then Danielle came to visit you last night and kept you up to 8:30 at night. Did you hear the birdies? They're singing a lot, aren't they? There's birdies singing. It's a different bird sound. I don't know what it is. They're making some different noises, aren't they? Hey! You finally gonna talk? I want to see what the bird is. What kind of bird is that? I can't see him. Where's he at? Can't zoom in enough to get on him. I can't find him now. Where'd you go, bird? Nope, can't zoom in enough. I think we're going to have to go inside, bub. The storm's almost here. Listen to the wind. Ready to go in. The winds are coming. I know, it's gonna get stormy. And the radar showed a big old storm a coming. There's a storm a brewing, Max. There's a storm a brewing. I'm going inside. Huh? What? Little boy birdies will blow away out here in this wind. I think you want to be out here when the wind's going 60 miles an hour. See anything down there? Or anything under the deck? Oh, noisy truck. Noisy truck. Not as fun out here when you don't have your cage to climb over, is it? Huh?